In this video, I will show you how to update Open WebUI to the latest version. So if I show you the currently installed version, Open WebUI, click here on your profile icon, then go to settings, then go to the about section. Here you can see the currently installed version is 0.5.7 and available version is 0.5.20. So an update is available. So this is the official documentation of Open WebUI. You can find it on the official website. I will provide you the link to this web page in the description of this video. Here you will find information regarding how to install Open WebUI using Docker, how to access it, and how to update it. This is what we need. Using Watchtower is the easiest way to update Open WebUI to the latest version. Before running this command, make sure that Docker is running in the background. So first launch Docker and let it run in the background. After that, copy this command and just paste it in the command prompt and hit enter. The command will take some time to complete. It may take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. On my PC, it had taken up to 10 minutes to get completed. So the command has been completed. Let's log into Open WebUI. You will see a message that it has been updated to the latest version. Okay. You can check this in settings also. It has been updated to the latest version. Check for updates. Now it has been updated to the latest version. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.